What if I told you that a simple supplement claiming to boost your child's height might not be as powerful as it sounds? Today, we're taking a closer look at Mortaine Grow Spark, a product marketed as a clinically backed solution designed to support growth in children by enhancing so-called growth signals. But when you really start analyzing these claims, things become a bit more complicated. The idea of increasing height beyond natural genetic limits is already a major red flag. Because science consistently shows that height is primarily determined by genetics, nutrition, and overall health during developmental years, not by any single supplement. Mortaine Grow Spark leans heavily on terms like IGF-1 activation, which sounds impressive, but there's no clear, verifiable clinical evidence directly tied to this product proving it can deliver those results. When you look deeper, the formula itself mostly contains basic vitamins and nutrients that are already available through a balanced diet, yet it's marketed as something revolutionary. Another concern is the type of testimonials being used, with claims of gaining inches in just a few months, which feels unrealistic and lacks scientific backing. On top of that, many of the reviews appear overly controlled or curated, raising questions about their authenticity. And some users have reported issues with recurring charges or subscription traps after purchase. The marketing also seems to rely heavily on emotional triggers, especially targeting parents who are worried about their child's growth, which makes it even more important to approach such products with a clear and informed mindset. So while Mortaine Grow Spark presents itself as a promising solution, it's essential to separate marketing language from actual science before making any decision.